Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Segway Ninebot MAX scooter. Here are its features. The wait is over. Max is here. Max your way. Segway Ninebot MAX G30P is designed to be the most sturdy and powerful electric scooter. Powerful drivetrain, extraordinary climbing slope made for serious commuters just like you. The moment you press down the electrical throttle, the immense 350W brushless motor momentum will leave you wanting more. One-step folding system for easy portability. Carry it on public transportation, store it in your car and any destination you desire effortlessly. Segway Ninebot app. Lock, unlock scooter. Riding stats. Cruise control. Firmware update. Experience greater power, range and speed. Updated design features and durability upgrades make Max the perfect choice for your daily commute. Smooth and self-healing air-filled tires. Newly upgraded 10-inch pneumatic tires can withstand multiple punctures without tire deflation. Smart battery management system, Smart BMS, closely monitors the status with multiple protection mechanisms to ensure battery durability. Easy one-cord fast charging. The built-in charge lets riders recharge it easily when on the go, without having to carry along a bulky charging adapter. 3A fast charge will give Ninebot Kick Scooter Max a full charge in 6 hours. 3 riding modes to meet your riding styles. Eco, Standard and Sports modes can be directly accessed by the intuitive LED dashboard. Dual braking system. Simultaneous mechanical front drum brake and regenerative electric back brake provide stability. Regenerative brake for power recycle. Energy will be collected from regenerative braking and distributed when you need a boost. Built-in front LED lights. With 2.5-watt LED light to illuminate the path and increase your visibility to others around you. Max versatility. Max mobility. Across America tour. Specifications. Brand. Segway. Color. Dark gray. Handlebar type. Foldable. Wheel size. 10 inches. Wheel type. Pneumatic tires. Item weight. 23.5 kilograms. Brake style. Front braking, rear braking. Max speed. Approximately 30 km per hour. Typical range. Approximately 40.4 miles. Battery capacity 551 Wh. Net weight approximately 42.1 pounds, 19.1 kilograms. Charging time approximately 6h. Riding modes: energy saving, standard, sport. Packing list: user manual, quick start, limited warranty. Accessories: hex wrench, power cord, valve stem extension, M5 flathead screw X6. Battery charger, sold separately.